everything I got. Vehicles and my garage. And we're gonna try to keep it pretty short. So let's start off over here with those two machines. This one got a new spoiler thing. It's pretty hilarious but cool. New rear view mirrors, and it actually opens the door this way instead of like it was before, open this way. It does not run currently, or it kind of runs, but you need starter fluid to get it running. Also moved lights down there. But we gotta clean the carburetor, I guess, and that's probably gonna be the reason why I won't start. But it runs well when we got it started. It's weird, but I don't know. Then we got this one. We're gonna see what happens exactly with this one. I got some ideas for it maybe in the future. It currently runs very good, easy to start. Everything works currently, at least. So I like it. But yeah. Then we got over here we have my new purchase, MTD RS180 lawnmower, lawn tractor. So I'm not gonna say too much about it yet because I haven't really revealed it yet, but we're getting there as soon as I get it to start, because it doesn't start right now. Here we got a boat. It's just full of trash right now here, but I removed the prop and sealed it up so you can just throw it in the lake whenever I want, and I can use a paddle, or what is it called, a paddle? Yeah, paddle, or little outboard motor or whatever to ride it, if I drive it if I want to. Go-kart here, put a little lot powers right now, maybe. I don't know what happens really with it. I attached this engine here, but haven't got it running yet. I don't know. Pitbike here, just got it fixed. New fuel valve. Runs really great. It's probably I would say my favorite in the whole vehicle collection, because it's really fun to drive, but I don't know. It's up there at least. So let's go into the garage. So see, I cleaned up, which is very nice here. I put all those things here, and bolts and nuts and stuff here. This bench or shelf, you can have whatever I want. It's nice to have some storage there. Here is my little bag full of camera gear and stuff, and then we got more tools down there. Air compressor, constant problems. Bench grinder, works really nice, I like it. And here we got bench drill, or drill press, maybe it's called drill press. Works very nice, I love it. I would not have been able to make a lot of stuff here without that thing. Here we got metal, usable metal, smaller pieces, scrap metal, bolts and stuff. More tools here. We got a little air pneumatic thing grinder, drills, light, jigsaw, sand blaster thing. I got no sand, but little brush cutter with those attachments there. And then we got more stuff, electric winch and more things like that. There's a pulley here if you want to lift stuff up. You can see. Huh? Here we got stuff too, bolts and nuts and everything. And here some bags for plastic, normal trash, I don't know, whatever in that one. And here is tools, as you can see. And this is probably the best setup I've ever had in this shop. How the tools are organized. I love it. We have plenty of space for parking here. Not plenty, but enough space to park pet bike in there. Then we got wood and stuff stacked up out here. And tree houses survived the winter. We put up a new zip line. I haven't really dared to ride it yet because it's pretty high off there. I don't know, the camera does maybe not do justice, but it's pretty high off the ground there. Tree houses here survived the winter. Very nice view. We're gonna climb up here one-handed. This little rally track course, pit bike track thing here. Maybe gonna do a little bit of a revival on that one. That tree house gonna get some wood on the sides. This one we actually put wood on the sides, forgot to mention that. And this one is exactly like it was. We did a tour video on this. Nothing new here. So that's all for this video.